Looking to put your masterpieces in the spotlight? Want to give your visitors an immersive experience? Look no further. Explore new channels and revenue streams with MaxWhere. Design your own gallery or choose a museum. Select the frames on the walls, upload your artwork, enrich with 3D elements, and you are good to go. Put together a guided tour for your visitors to follow within minutes, or let them roam freely, examining artworks up close and experiencing truly unique perspectives. There are no security guards here to tell you to move away, to silence your phone, or to stop flying around for that matter. Curate art and make changes to your exhibitions easily based on the preferences of your visitors. Nurture your relationship with customers through the development of tailor-made loyalty programs, personalized guided tours, and relevant gifts and merchandise. Pull in a global audience and be prepared to dazzle. MaxWhere. VR even more. Visit our website and get zipped into the world of 3D.